Hi guys, today we're at work.
Yeah, today we're at work and I've got a video today to do and it's all Angel's baby videos and we're going to do it as a prank on Angel, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so keep an eye out on this next video and see if there's anything that you think's funny, and we're going to do one of our usual videos tomorrow where Angel and Leo do pranks on me as usual, so keep watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, right? Angel, do you want chocolate?
No.
More chocolate?
Yeah.
Say yes please. I've seen, Angel, I've seen this on the Maltesers advert, haven't I?
Yeah.
We've seen it, shall I try? Ready? Yay! Is that good? Do you like that? Woo! Angel? Got another one. My kids have been asking for an hot tub because everybody's got an hot tub these days, haven't they? Do you like your hot tub, kids? Yeah. Look at Daddy! Yay! Look at your hot tub! Angel, look at Daddy. Do you want some chicken for dinner?
No.
Do you want some chips?
No.
Do you want some pee-pee?
No.
Do you want some garlic bread?
No.
Do you want me to play in your bedroom?
Yeah.
Ah! You're supposed to say no!
Yeah. Yeah. Put it in my bedroom.
What?
Put it in my bedroom.
Stop it. What do you want me to do?
Put it in my bedroom.
Pip in your bedroom?
Yeah.
What have we caught in the garage?
And a rat.
A rat. Let's have a look at him. Oh, he's there. Look in the rat trap. Don't touch him though.
No.
What should we do with him? Should we let him go somewhere? Angel, show me how you catch a chicken. What do? Do you give him some food first? Give him some food, and then you trick him. He thinks you're your friend. And then what do? You catch him. Ready, catch him, look, catch him. I've got him distracted. Catch him, quick, quick, quick. Hold him tight. Quick, catch him, quick, quick, catch one. Quick, quick, go on, catch. That's it, grab him, quick, grab him hard. Sure, Daddy. Woo! What are you doing? Is it all gone?
No.
Open your mouth, let's have a look. All gone. What you eating? Sauce.
Yeah.
Can Daddy have some?
No, Ma.
No more. Daddy have some.
Yeah.
No. Daddy have some. Some sauce up there.
No, Ma.
No more. No more.
Yeah.
Angel, do you want to get some eggies? What you found in there? Let's have a look. Show me. Oh, what you got? Are you moving him out the way? How many eggies you've got?
2.
2? That's Angel, you're using chopsticks.
Yeah.
Go on then. Big squeeze. Go on then, squeeze. Yay! Yeah, you're dancing.
Those songs are not very good because I got too many naughty words in.
What do you mean naughty words?
Because they're really rubbish.
What, my songs are really rubbish?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they are. They're disgusting.
They're disgusting?
Yeah.
What, Daddy's music's disgusting?
Yeah.
Leo, do you like it at Nando's? What is all that? What is all that? What you got to say for yourself? What you got to say for yourself? No, you don't. Hey, look, what's that? Oh, you. Oh. Leo! You'll get in trouble. You'll get in trouble. You'll get in trouble. Hey! Do you like Nando's? That's it, eat. That's not eating it, it's squashing it into the table. What you got to say for yourself? What you got to say? Get off! Get off!
Good.
Leo, have you got all the girls? Got all these girls?
Yeah, Dad.
Come on then. Come on then. Angel, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oi!
Again, good swimming.
Good mummy. Go on then.
Woo!
Ready? Go on then.
Woo!
Yay! What are you doing, you monkey? You're not funny.
Does Daddy like that?
No,
Does
no,
he?
don't. Don't like it.
Say that nice, Daddy.
No, it's not nice.
Let's just have a little look what she's putting on. Ah, soda cream. We're allowed to get off that.
That's enough now. Finished. Finished.
Is soda cream nice in your eye, Daddy?
Finished. Angel. Angel. Are you listening? Go get Daddy a drink. Go get Daddy a drink. Go on, run. Go on, run, 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 run. Get a drink. In the fridge. In the fridge. Angel, in the fridge. Get Daddy a drink out the fridge. In the fridge. Quick. Quick. Go get Daddy a packet of crisps. Yeah? Go on then. Run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Go on. Get a crisps, quick. Crisps. Come on, hurry up. I'm starving. Angel? Angel? Are you doing quality control? Yeah. Angel. Angel.
There she is.